Yeah, in this interview, which I'm not going to just keep watching because it's just so long and unbearable. He says, I no longer believe that freedom and democracy are compatible. So yeah, I know it's hard to understand through his stutter and word vomit, but he's quite literally saying the quiet part out loud. And this is the guy that put J.D. Vance in power. So I know that's comforting. He's also the guy that you're giving all your sensitive data to. Yeah, I mean, look at this guy, dude. Peter Thiel always looks like he's grappling between the decision to kill an infant or